Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, where are we going, Krichi? Zoo. What do we see in the zoo?
Animals.
Animals.
Ooh, ah! Monkey! Monkey!
Okay. Do you know what animals do in the zoo when it rains, Arush?
No.
No. Do they have umbrella?
No.
Do they have rain jacket?
No.
Do you know, Krishi? What they do? Okay. So today we are going to see what they do in the rains. We are going to wear jackets. Do animals wear jacket in the zoo?
No.
Or do somebody give them umbrella?
No.
Let's see. Okay?
Let's see what are you doing when it's raining a bit coming. There's all different kind of sizes of animals.
Okay. Alright. Let's go and have a look, okay? Zoo.
So cute.
Already so many people here. And we have reached.
Animals are inside Harush.
Animals will be inside. This is the zoo. Story.
At the zoo.
And what do we see in the zoo?
Animals.
Animals. And what are we supposed to wear today?
Max.
Mask. We are all going to wear masks. And then we are going to go to zoo. This is first time we are coming to the zoo after this whole virus stuff. So we all are excited. Arush is excited. Krish is excited.
You need to wear a mask to go out.
Mama is wearing.
You see that shot?
Daddy is wearing. Let's see what are the zoo rules. Sanitizer. Store. Let's see which animal. This has. See?
Wow.
All living creatures need water to survive.
Mommy, does
See?
he wolf and twin?
Strong claws. See, it's just very sharp.
Look at this one. This one's so
It's very tiny. This one is like a catty. See? These are retractable claws. That means they can take their nails inside and they can push them out. This is what? This is for canine animals and this is webbed feet. So this is for swimming. See? They have webbed feet. They are all attached to each other. So they can swim in the water.
Oh, this one can swim in the water. Whoa! Where's the bell come?
Yeah. Is that there? Black one? See there?
Whoa!
See that black one?
Did you see bear?
Whoa, there's a bell!
Yeah.
Big black bear. See? Hi bear. He's sleeping. It's his nap time. He had his lunch. Now he's napping.
Look at
Ooh, do you see? Do you see that? Do you see the bear?
all those things are from playing. See
Mmm.
that big stick and that circle? That thing was that's what he's playing.
Yeah, this is his house. To bear.
Hi, Bear. It's rainy times. He loves to sleep. Rainy times. Mommy, let's see the next animal. And they even have a ball.
Yeah, they like to play with balls.
Yes. There's two baby ones.
You should. This is bush dog, Krichi. Bush dog. Bush dog.
Daddy, this is a push dog.
And see what is the saying. See where it lives. It's called wild dog. It lives in Central and South America. It prefers forests with access to water. That means he likes water. And see where does he live? See they're showing here. See it lives in South America. And they need a lot of space to hunt. And see they have webbed feet here. That means they can swim in the water. See?
Oh, what feet?
Webbed feet means they are swimmers. They can swim in the water. See, they're going in the water. See, they're going to play.
Oh, they play with the.
See? They're also playing.
They they're playing with that toy ice cream.
Hmm.
Oh, is this? Oh, they're coming to meet us. Hi, I push doggy.
Push dog. Bye, push dog. Bye, push dog. Say bye bye. Come on.
Come sit, sit. Sit.
What are we going to read next?
All right. What is next? Do you know what is next?
No.
No, we also don't know. Let's see. Find out what is next. What is next? There's a birdie. Ooh.
Birdie.
Ooh. What is his name? It's called Road Runner. See here.
Whoa.
Ooh.
One of
Where do we find them?
Come from here.
Woodlands of Southwestern North America.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy. Buddy's all wet. See? They're wet, Arush. See, they don't have umbrella. They're all wet.
Come see the birdie. See the birdie, Krishi. See the birdie. See the birdie there. Want me to help you?
You know how birdie walk? No, I will show you birdie walk. Come on. Everybody see birdie walk. Birdie, birdie, birdie walk. Birdie, birdie, birdie walk. This is how birdie walks when he's wet. This is a nice house. It has a glass window. He can go and stay there whenever he wants in the night. See? See this house? Oh, see? He can go from there. See, he can go from here and stay inside. Huh? Scared, Kushi? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Cougar. Bye-bye. Thank you for meeting us. Ooh, oh my God. Bye-bye, Cougar. Just look there. This coyote, this also comes in our backyard sometimes.
Yes.
We have seen a baby cow. Coyotes are related to raccoon, but they are most active during the day.
I think they're sleeping. That's his house up there.
Yeah.
Get scared when he comes up the house. He don't even leave the house.
Cactus is a different kind of cactus. See, they have thorns. They normally come in the very hot weather. We saw in the desert, right? And they store water in the thorns. See, they have long thorns here. See, do you see long thorns? Do you see long thorns? See, thorns are very sharp, and what they do? They keep water. They store all the water in these thorns. So if you touch these thorns, they're very sharp.
Don't touch.
Very sharp.
Let's see what else animals we can follow. Mommy, you're meeting the tiger.
Oh, I'm scared.
I will protect you.
All right.
And you protect me.
Tiger is sitting right here for us. Tiger.
Mom, see. Daddy.
Ooh, look here. See, he's sitting quietly. See? Ah, see?
No.
See, he did so much water.
That's his pool.
Yeah, that's his pool.
Yes.
What will he do in the pool?
Play.
Play?
Yes.
No.
And he can even play with those blocks in the pool.
Yeah, that's his whole habitat where he can play, and this is his house. See?
No, that's his door.
See what's his name? Let's see. This is Jaguar. You know what is special about Jaguar, Arush? No. He runs very fast.
Whoa.
Yeah, he runs very fast. Very fast. Yeah. Jaguars and cougars can occupy some of the same territory. We saw cougar also, na? That was a long one with cougar. However, unlike cougars, jaguars are nocturnal. That means cougars like to stay awake in the day, and these guys likes to stay awake in the night. It's nocturnal. This decreases the competition for prey. So this guy says, okay, I will hunt in the night, and cougar says, okay, I will hunt in the morning. So they hunt for their prey at different times. So there is no competition. Here, Arush, come here. Tortoise, look here. African spurred tortoise, such a big. They are the largest tortoise in the African mainland. That means they are the largest tortoise, Arush. Biggest tortoise. Ooh, look at them. So many of them are there. 3? When did you count them? See, he's eating grass.
1, 2, 3.
Count again.
There's only 2 houses for them.
Wanna go down, Kiji?
Those are
See, he's walking. He's coming to you. Say hi.
Hi. There's animals in there, Mommy. There's animals in there too.
They walk very slowly.
Yeah.
See, they're walking very, very slowly. See? See.
Hi, tortoise. Look at that's the house.
Yeah, see, they're going in a line.
Are they going inside? See, now it's nap time for them.
Yeah, they're talking to each other. Yeah, and that's their house. They're going to stay here.
There's only 2 ones.
This is turtle. How does turtle walk? Show me. Show me how turtle walks. Slow. See, we'll walk like a turtle. Slowly. Come on, Kashi. Walk like a turtle. Turtle. Krishi, walk like turtle. Walk like turtle. Walk like turtle. Slowly. Walk like turtle, Krishi. Come here. Hey, Krishi is walking like turtle.
No, I think.
What is his name? His name is Inkatan.
Whoa!
Ooh, such a big bird.
No, it's a parrot.
Parrot, Mama.
It's a parrot?
Yeah.
No, let's see what is his name. No, his name is Rhinoceros hornbill.
But it looks like a parrot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He stays in Malaysia and Indonesia, Arush. And what does he eat? He eats fruits, seeds, nuts, small lizards, birds and insects. Look at his beak, so big, Arush. Look at that.
Whoa.
See?
Whoa.
Ooh, such a big beak, right?
Whoa. So big.
They're just relaxing.
Yeah. Look at the house. Slowly. Hey! The house clock. Hey! Lily. The house is the. Ah! Hello.
Hello, Daddy.
It's the blue parrot.
You want?
Yes. Get me up here.
Yep.
Oh. Oh.
house.
Mommy, but it's very tiny. He can't fit inside.
No.
Oh, maybe the beanie ones can fit inside.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, that's the big one for the big one. That's the big house for the bigger ones.
See, they have itchy. See, that's why they are doing itchy to each other. See, they're scratching each other.
Scratching my mouth.
Yeah, they're scratching each other. Look at each other.
Daddy, put me down. Let's do it next.
Yes.
Put me up.
This is. Arush, see what is it? Porcupine.
Yeah, see that
See here, Krishi,
That
here.
one, yeah, Kishi.
See here, he's hiding in the corner. He's scared.
See that? You see it?
Whoa, that's his tail.
Yeah, you see it? Yeah.
Put me up, put me up. Oh,
I pull
yes,
it.
alright. Not that high. Not that high.
So he hangs from the tail with the tail to branches, and then he can move on the tree with his tail.
Yeah.
He also likes to stay up in the night.
Yeah, but very dangerous.
And if you do something to them, what do? They shake their quills and they will scare you. If that doesn't work, they curl up into the ball. They curl up and they become a ball. And red-rumped akauti.
Mommy,
Yeah.
this looks like a big bunny.
Yeah, it looks like big bunny.
Like a small tail.
Small one is called cotton top tamarind. See that small one on the tree. See it has a cotton like hair on his head. Do you see cotton like hair on his head?
The smaller ones are playing.
Yeah, that is a cotton head. See, that's why it's called cotton head tamarind.
The bigger ones are sleeping.
Yeah, bigger one is different. His name is red-rumped agouti. See, he looks like a mouse. See.
That one looks like a mouse. What's the other one?
Hey, Krishi.
This one.
Bye bye. Aru, this is spider monkey. You were looking at the spider monkey?
Wow, it is Spider-Man.
Spider monkey. See? Spider monkey.
It is Spider-Man.
You saw his movie?
What is tail very long? Next one.
What is it, Kitchen?
Let me do
Come out. See, Aru, she has a very dark hands and feet, like a chocolate. They are social and they are found grouped of 2 to 30. Oh, she is climbing up.
That's the top. Well, they like to swing.
What is this? Baldy. See? What is his name? Baldy Maina. See how is this Baldy? See, they are coming to see you. Hello. Sitting with his mommy. Yeah. See, he has 2 toes. Come here. See, he has 2 toes like this. See, only 2 toes. Like this. 1, 2. Like sleeping. See, they move very slowly. See how slowly he's moving. See. Can you walk like a sloth? Very slowly.
A sloth.
See how slowly he's moving. See? They're very slow. See? See, he's moving very slow.
What we move very fast.
Yeah, but he's moving very slow. You can see his claws.
This was the scale, but looks like this scale is not working.
Otter, Arush, see? See how nicely he's swimming. So that means what is it? He has webbed claws. Right? See his claws here. See in the picture. See he's a web here. See? See, do you see here? Web in between the claws. That's why he can swim.
Daddy.
Dino! Ah, big dino! He has 3 horns. 1, 2, 3 horns. You scared? You scared? Scared?
Scared about dino?
There's even a dinosaur in this
Look at his paws, so big. Look at your paws, shoes. Look at his. Can you wear your shoes?
No.
See, his height is 5 feet. Can you imagine? 5 feet tall. And when he spreads his wing, it can be 7 to 8 feet. Let's see if he's spreading his wings. See, he's so tall. See, he's almost like your height. And those are duckies.
If you eat small water, then it will be just small.
And these are 2 white cranes. How does ducky do?
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
How does ducky do?
Quack, quack. Quack.
Can you walk like ducky?
Quack, 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 quack.
Bye, crane. Bye bye, ducky. Oh, I'm scared of alligator. This is alligator's area. Where is alligator?
You thunderstorm. You see that long thing? That long thing looks like the alligator.
See the picture?
Phoebe went in a snowy one. Phoebe went for a trip. Phoebe.
See, he has a wide hooves. See, these are like horns. They are called hooves.
Phoebe doesn't live in the jungle.
They can carry large weights at high elevation. High elevations in the sense they can actually be on the mountain top and carry a lot of weight. See?
You can buy one for Arush, so Arush can sit on it.
No.
And you can go to school on the yak.
Yeah.
No?
You don't need a car. You can go in a yacht.
Yak is right there.
Oh.
See? Snow leopard. See, they like the domestic sheep and goats. Easy prey for them.
I did like one too.
Oh no! Ooh.
Run so fast. So fast.
Yeah, they run so fast, Arush. That is what is. When they want to catch a prey, they run very fast.
Baby, he was so excited to meet us. So he wanted to meet us.
He thought that, I can eat
No
Arush.
leopard.
Oh.
Who's it? See, how many are there? How many are there?
2.
1, 2. They like to eat domestic sheep and goat. Look at this. She is drinking water. She is drinking water, Krishi. See, now he's gone up. Come sit here now. 2 flamingos.
Yeah.
Honey.
Arush, see, this is the Marco. This is what snow leopards like to eat.
Very fun.
Daddy is pushing. Krishi is pushing. Arush. See, Mexican grey wolf. Or is also called lobo. The smallest one. Let's find where is the wolf. Do you see wolf here? Come, let's see wolf. Can we? Come, let's go.
Dad, careful down.
Wolf is coming. See, he's standing behind the tree.
How does the wolf do?
See, he's running.
How does the wolf do, Arush?
How does wolf do, Arush?
Ow.
Ow!
So all the wolves are come there, see? They come searching for you.
See, they are searching now. See, they think that wolf is come. Another wolf is come. See, they are coming to eat. Ow!
Here comes the wolf. See?
See,
They're
wolf is
searching for
coming.
next wolf. Where is the wolf?
So they are saying, who is calling me?
Huh, Krishi?
See? To the Caribbean coast, and then we'll have your penny band, okay?
But I never.
See?
Where the rock?
We can see these parrots, Arush. See? Nice, colorful parrots. Wow, beautiful.
This one's not in the.
See, they're feeding each other. See, he's feeding his baby.
Whoa, this is not in the cage.
No.
There's a flamingo up there.
Yeah. See? This, what is his name? His name is Scarlet Macaw.
But this
Blue and see? Blue and yellow macaw.
look at this.
This
So,
beak is ideal for opening seeds and nuts.
whoa, it's so colorful.
Yeah, and he can snap the broomstick in half. He can click broomstick and break it, Arush.
How?
Yeah, see, he has a strong beak. That's what they're saying. He has a very strong beak. Flamingo. See how they're standing on. Flamingo also do yoga.
Yeah.
When it wants attention, it spreads its wing and color displays truly eye-catching. We love flamingo yoga. Yeah. Woo.
Water.
Ooh, they're making so much noise. They're so tall. See, they're so tall. You see the flamingo?
Yes, they see with parrot.
So tall. Ooh. One leg. Can you stand on one leg, Arush?
No.
Like them? See how they're standing on one leg doing yoga. They're doing yoga. See all of them.
Arush, can you stand like this? See? Arush?
See, stand like this. Yeah, Arush, daddy is standing on one leg. Daddy is standing on one leg. Okay, mama is also going to stand. See, we all stand like flamingo. Flamingo. We all are flamingos, daddy.
Can you do this?
Can you do it, Arush? Mama is standing like flamingo. Daddy is standing like flamingo. And this penny band.
Hey, mommy.
You can make a penny band here.
Penny band. I thought this was just one, but it was a penny band.
Yeah. And
I can buy a penny band. Maybe this one needs a coin.
which one you want, Arush? Which color? These are binoculars. What do you want?
Arush.
Green or orange?
Orange?
Green.
Green. Okay, take it. Take it.
Could be binoculars going to be
One. Okay, Krishi, you got one binocular. Everybody got one thing. Okay, come on.
I will give this binocular to Fishy while on the phone.
Krishi is interested in
Come
that.
on. Give me that.
What things here? Pencil, pen. You want pen, Arush, so that you can write ABCD?
This is very squishy, froggy. Touch it, touch it.
Yeah.
This is so squishy.
I was scared. Come on, let's go. Penny band. You know how to make a penny band?
No.
Okay, read here. What are they saying? Turn handle. So engraving you want is next to the red arrow. Okay, what do you want here? Whatever you want. Keep moving. It has to come here. Here. This. We got snow. Now deposit 1 penny.
120 here.
2 quarters and now we have to put this. See, that is going to put this 25 cents, 25 cents, so 50 cents. And then 1 penny. This inside.
Wait. I have to do like this. Okay, we have to push it like this. Okay. We have to push it.
Now do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push it. Yeah, 5. Do it. Coin will come here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, see, you got your snow leopard. Woo! Show me. Show me. We'll put it in the band.
Okay.
Where is the band?
We'll make one more point for Krishna.
See, we're putting in this band.
Yeah.
Your penny band is ready. Wear it.
Okay, now one for Krishna.
Now one for Krishi. Okay, Krishi, what do you want?
Krishna, which one do you want?
Come, Krishi, which one you want? Chi. Which one you want? Which animal? You want this? You want one? Let's get gibbon for daddy for Krishi. Okay, now for Krishi we'll get gibbon, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. This is for Krishi. What is it? Show me, Krishi. See what is there? Gibbon. 1. This one. Come on, we all sit here. Daddy, which one is yours? Caramel. And which one is yours?
This one.
Yummy.
Daddy, I want to see your chocolate.
Looks yummy.
Wow.
Yummy. Everything looks yummy. He's eating Choco Taco. Mama is also going to eat the same.
Chocolate taco.
And you're going to eat this one. Come on, eat. This is also very yummy. Chocolate eclair. This is frozen chocolate eclair dessert bar. And this looks so yummy. You eat. Thank you, Arish. You eat. Ah. Ooh. How's yours, Daddy?
Good.
How's your day, Arush? Good? You saw so many animals.
Yes.
And you had ice cream.
Yes.
Yummy ice
I
cream.
found 1,000 animals.
1,000 animals? What about you, Krishi? You like the zoo? You enjoyed? You had a nice time? Me too. We had a very nice time in the Stone Zoo. Yeah, she's tired. Everybody's tired. This was the Stone Zoo, Stoneham. We had wonderful time and we saw a lot of animals. So if you want to visit Stoneham Zoo, next time definitely plan your visit here in Stoneham.